Xiaomi Mi 11, shocking specs. The Xiaomi Mi 11, Xiaomi's newest flagship, is now out in China, while an upgraded Mi 11 Pro also looks to be in the works. CEO Lei Jun unveiled Xiaomi's next flagship phone at a launch event held in China on the 28th of December 2020. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below to be the first to get a notification on our next video. The Mi 11 is notable for being the world's first Snapdragon 888 phone, and also the company's first to feature a 2K 120Hz display. The Mi 11 is now available in China. However, outside China, it is still unknown when Mi 11 will launch. Xiaomi usually announces the latest flagship Mi phone for Europe at the Mobile World Congress in February, but in 2021 the event has been pushed back to the end of June. A little bit of information we got is that the phone was spotted passing certification with the US Federal Communication Commission, FCC. This is an important approval step that every phone has to pass through, but suggestively, it usually only happens in a week or two before launch. This could mean that the announcement might come sometime in January, sooner than expected. Available in 5 color options, the 8GB RAM and 128GB storage Mi 11 costs 3,999 Chinese yuan, that is around $610, 450 pounds, 800 Australian dollars, and 8GB RAM and 256GB version is 4,299 yuan, which is about $660, 490 pounds, 870 Australian dollars, and the top 12GB RAM and 256GB option is 4,699 yuan, that is roughly $720, 530 pounds, 950 Australian dollars. Mi 11 has a 6.81-inch AMOLED display, and is the first Xiaomi phone to date to feature a crystal clear 2K 3200 by 1440 resolution with a 515 ppi pixel density. This is also a 120Hz panel, primed for the fast-paced frame rates of entertainment and gaming. It provides an incredibly responsive 480Hz touch sampling rate and edge sensors for accuracy. Capable of 1,500 nits of brightness on average, 8,192 levels of auto brightness, 5 million ratio 1 contrast, and support for high dynamic range and motion smoothing through HDR10+ and MEMC, DisplayMate has rated this panel A+. The Mi 11 set 13 new records in its tests, covering such things as OLED peak brightness, color accuracy, and contrast. DisplayMate has proclaimed it to be a world-class smartphone display with close to textbook calibration accuracy and performance that is visually indistinguishable from perfect. Xiaomi fits Gorilla Glass Victus to protect this display from damage. This is Corning's toughest glass, with drop protection to 2M and improved resistance to scratches. It is said to have a lower softening point than Xiaomi Gorilla Glass 5 and 6. The Mi 11 also has an antibacterial protective film, and is supplied with an antibacterial protective case. The processor is 5G enabled and integrates the Snapdragon X65G modem, which should mean it can support both mmWave and Sub-6 across all major bands worldwide. It also has a 5G multi-SIM and back-end network tech like carrier aggregation and dynamic spectrum sharing. There's also enhanced Wi-Fi 6, with seamless switching between mobile and wireless networks. Xiaomi Mi 11 is fitted with a 4,600 mAh battery, and can support 55 watts wired dash, 50 watts wireless, and 10 watts reverse wireless charging. The company claims the battery will reach 100% in just 45 minutes over a wired connection, or in 53 minutes when charged wirelessly. Xiaomi does not supply a charger in the box, but accessories for wired and wireless charging will be available separately. An amazing-looking vertical wireless charging dock will cost 199 yuan, while a 55 watts GAN charger will cost 99 yuan. Xiaomi utilized a triple-lens camera on Mi 11, sitting in a square formation on the phone's rear at the top left corner, alongside an LED flash. These are a 108MP main, 13MP ultra-wide, and 5MP telephoto macro, the latter of which is designed for both zoomed and close-up shots. What do you think of the new Xiaomi Mi 11? How would you compare it to the Mi 10? Please share your opinions in the comments section below, and remember to click the subscribe button below to be the first person to watch new videos on this channel.